If you're serious about espresso and want the same great cafe taste at home, meet the Bambino. It's the affordable machine that delivers the 4 keys formula for third wave specialty coffee with that silky smooth microfoam milk. It's seriously stylish and small, seriously fast with 3-second heat up time and a simple interface. The faster way to professional results at home. The Bambino. The next generation super automatic espresso machine. Simply swipe and select for third wave specialty coffee at home. With the right amount of coffee, pressure, temperature and steam, you'll never compromise on taste again. The Oracle Touch. The next generation super automatic espresso machine.
Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed up to 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming a perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly versatile Vertuo machines for all cup sizes.
The K Classic brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.